In this Q&A, we are going to answer: what legal agreements do you have in place? What resources do my outsourced staff need? And what hours would my outsourced staff work? Nadine Davis-Atma from Affordable Staff. Welcome to our Raw Q&A session around outsourcing. We've created this series of videos for businesses that have considered outsourcing and have genuine questions or concerns that need answering. The format: 3 questions and 3 answers based on over 275,000 hours of outsourcing experience. Let's get into it.
What legal agreements do you have in place?
When working with clients, we have an outsourcing agreement that outlines the clients and our obligations. We also have an incorporated business within the Philippines, which means we can get all staff to sign a legally binding non-disclosure agreement. If you're not familiar with an NDA, it's basically a legal agreement that protects your privacy and the proprietary information of your business. Also, there is a side note. All outsourced staff undergo both police checks and health checks prior to working with us.
What resources do my outsourced staff need?
As a part of having your outsourced staff working from a commercial office, we supply power, internet, a desk and a computer with a single monitor. We do come across a number of clients that have specific hardware or software requirements. When you come on board as a client, we identify these for you and quote them separately. As an example, we work with a number of clients in accounting and finance where it's common to have 2 monitors. When this occurs, we pass on the charge and arrange for the required parts to be sourced locally within the Philippines.
What hours would my outsourced staff work?
The Philippines time zone is 2 hours earlier than the east coast of Australia during non-daylight savings time. In other words, 9 a.m. in Brisbane is 7 a.m. Philippines time. Our office is open from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. Australian hours, which allows your outsourced staff to be flexible enough to cover most required times. As with local staff, the key is to communicate the expected hours during the recruitment process, including communicating if your staff may have to work the occasional weekend that may be covered. If there are any hours that need to be worked outside of Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m, there may be an additional cost, including working of mainstream holidays around Easter and Christmas. Okay, that's it. If you'd like to find out more about how outsourcing can work within your business, you can call us anywhere within Australia on 1300 139 482. I'm Nadine Davis-Atma from Affordable Staff, showing Australian businesses how to achieve business efficiency through outsourcing.